10. Question number 10. What is it?
Find the value of p.
Find value of p
Given that line
given that
y upon 2
y hmm. क्या कह रही हो तुम? y
upon 2 is equal to x minus p.
y upon 2 is equal to
X minus p
x minus p.
passes through the point minus 4 comma 4.
Passes through point
Minus 4 comma 4.
minus 4 comma 4. This is the question. So how you get it? What do? You write here y upon 2 is equal to x minus p, right? So you cross multiply this by 2, take 1 in denominator and y by this, so you can write it y is equal to 2x minus p, right? अरे मैंने क्या लिखा है? ब्रैकेट x minus p, right? This is y is equal to 2 ब्रैकेट x minus p. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करा ना मैंने अभी, तो ये लिखा y is equal to 2 ब्रैकेट x minus p, right? Up y is how much? So you can write y is equal to 2x minus 2p. You bring this y, 2p on this side, so 2p is equal to 2x minus y. So 2p is equal to 2x means minus 4. 2 into minus 4 minus 4, right? तो ये कितना हो गया? minus 8 minus 4 becomes minus 12. So p is equal to minus 12 by 2. So we can say P is equal to minus 6. Is it? This is how we can solve this equation. What is your answer?
-6.
So you will get it like this. ठीक है? Either you can solve like this also. Don't go like this. Y is 4 na? 4 by 2 is equal to x is minus 4 minus p. Right? 2 times 2 becomes 4. So you get 2 is equal to minus 4 minus p. Now what you do, interchange, you bring this p on this side, minus p becomes p, and this is minus 4 minus 2. So p is equal to minus 6. P is equal to minus 6. It can be done like this also. You just put the values in equation and get the value. Either you can do it like this also, right? Okay, what is your next question? Let's go finish. Question number 8. What is that?
The equation of the line PQ is 5 minus 3x
What is?
The equation of the line PQ is 3y minus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Write down the slope of the line PQ. Calculate the angle that the line PQ makes with the positive direction of x-axis.
Question number
8.
Question number 8. Line क्या है?
PQ.
There is a point ना? Line segment PQ. PQ is a line segment, and equation of line
Y minus 3x plus 7.
y
3y
3y
minus 3x
minus px.
से 3x
अच्छा 3y 3x. Okay, 3y minus 3x
plus 7 is equal to 0.
plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay.
I write down the slope.
Okay, so we bring this on the other side. So it is 3y is equal to 3x minus 7. This turns to be plus, this turns to be minus, and 3 comes here. So y is equal to 3 upon 3 x minus 7 upon 3. So 3 times 3 becomes 1. So it is y is equal to x minus x upon x minus 7 by 3, right? So यहाँ पे value is 1. So slope और ग्रेडियंट m is equal to 1, right? So tan theta is equal to 1 is equal to tan 45 degree. So theta becomes 45 degree, right? So positive inclination of 45 degree, right? What else you need? This much? I hope you understand. Fine. What is next?
Find the slope and the y-intercept of the following.
ये हो गया. This was it. Now you come to 6. 6 out. So follow 6 first part. What is that? Question number 6. Part 1. What is that?
Slope is 3.
Slope is equal to m is equal to 3 and
y-intercept is equal to -5.
y-intercept is equal to -5. So equation of line,
Yes.
y is equal to mx plus c. This is basically c. So it is 3 na slope. Y is equal to 3x plus -5. So we can write y is equal to 3x minus 5. Or you can write 3x minus y is equal to 5. This can be, or this is. Okay? Like this you can do the remainings by your own. So what is your next chapter? Come to the last question of that.
OAB.
क्या है क्वेश्चन तुम्हारा? Question number
34.
Question number 32. Yes. What is that?
OABC
What is OABC?
is a square.
Okay. OABC is a square. Okay.
O is the origin.
O is belongs to
Origin.
बहुत बढ़िया. You all know that. O is origin. Means its coordinates are 0, 0. Next.
Point A and B are 3, 0.
A is
3 comma 0
3 comma 0,
and
B is
comma Q.
huh?
P comma Q.
P comma Q. Okay.
If O, A, B, C lies in the first quadrant,
Huh?
find the value of P and Q.
Huh.
Also write down the equation of AB and BC.
What about C? No.
C is not given.
This is y-axis, right? This is x-axis. This is O. This is one, two, three. Its coordinate is 0 comma 0. This is O and its coordinate is 0 comma 0. This coordinate, this is A. Its coordinate is 3 comma 0. So from here to here distance is 3 and this is a square. So it means this will also 3, right? So it becomes, we will have 1, 2, 3. So this will be C. So C will be 0 comma 3, right? And when C is 0 comma 3, so when you draw the line like this and when you extend this line, like this, so this will also, this is B, so this will 3 comma 3. Yeah. So now we this as OA BC is square, so OA is equal to 3 unit. So all means OA, all OA is equal to AB is equal to BC, this is C, BC and OC. All will be of 3 unit, right? So value of P and Q, so B is having coordinates P comma Q, P comma, it is, say P comma Q, so its value is 3 comma 3, right? So P is 3 and Q is 3. Now what do you have to find?
Equation of AB and BC.
Okay. AB. slope of AB, slope of AB, M is equal to YA minus YB upon XA minus XB. So it is how much? YA is how much? 0 minus 3 upon 3 minus 3. So it becomes MAB is equal to slope of AB, slope of AB is equal to minus 3 upon 0. ठीक है? This will be the slope of AB. वैसे it is not defined. But we won't do this now. If one point is known, then how we can get? If one point is known, so we can use y is y minus YA. Y minus YA means 0 is equal to minus 3 upon 0 bracket x minus 3. So what happens? This 0 is cross multiplied with this, cross multiplied by this, the whole turns to be 0. Whole turns to be 0, so 0 is equal to minus 3x plus 9, right? So you can write here (3x) is equal to 9 or x is equal to 3. So AB is x is equal to 3. The equation of line is x is equal to 3. What is your answer? X is equal to 3. You get this?
Yes.
Now it is OABC is a square. So sides are perpendicular to each other, right? So क्या हो जाएगा? AB is perpendicular to BC. तो slope so MBC is equal to minus 1 upon MAB, right? or MAB is minus 3 upon 0. So it becomes what? Minus 1 upon minus 3 upon 0. This 0 will come up. So MBC is equal to minus plus 0 upon 3 becomes 0, right? So MBC is 0. Now again you do the same thing. So there will be, now we put y is equal to y minus 3. We have taken the coordinates of C. Y minus 3 is equal to 0, this bracket x minus 0. So this whole turns to be 0, right? So ये क्या हो गया? Y is equal to 3, right? So equation of line BC is y is equal to 3, right? For any value of x, y is 3. So this is how we get the values of lines. What is your answer? Same? You understand this? This is how we can solve. Okay. What is your next question? Should I rub?
Yes.
32. You come to 31. What is that? Hmm? 36, 35. अच्छा तो now we come to 34. Last questions are there ना. So you do question number 34. What is that?
Line x minus 4y
Line x minus 4y
minus 6 is equal to 0
minus 6 is equal to 0
is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment PQ and the coordinate of P.
line segment PQ and coordinates of PQ.
P is 1,
Coordinate of P is
1,
1, 3.
Find the coordinate of Q.
Find coordinate of Q. ठीक. So we have x minus y minus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. So you can write it four x minus 6 is equal to 4y. Bring this minus 4y on this side, it turns to be positive. Now 4 comes in denominator, so we can write it y is equal to 1 upon 4x minus 6 by 4. So it becomes 3 by 2, right? So y is equal to 1 upon 4x minus 3 by 2. So slope is m is equal to 1 upon 4, and this line is perpendicular bisector of PQ, of line PQ. So MPQ is equal to minus 1 upon 4. It becomes how much? Minus 4. So now equation of line y minus 3 is equal to minus 4 bracket x minus 1, right? So it is y minus 3 is equal to minus 4x minus plus 4, right? So you bring it on the other side, so it becomes 4x plus y is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. So this is second equation. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2, right? Equation of line is this. So when you solve it simultaneously, then what happens? We can write it. We can write here x is equal to 4y plus 6. x is equal to 4y plus 6. इस इक्वेशन, इस वैल्यू को यहाँ पे रख देते हैं, तो 4 ब्रैकेट 4y plus 6 plus y is equal to 7. So it is how much? 16 plus 24, 16y plus 24 plus y is equal to 7. So it is how much? It becomes 17y is equal to minus 24 plus 7 minus 17. So we can say y is equal to minus 1. Y is minus 1. When y is minus 1, तो ये how much it will be? So x is equal to 4 into minus 1 plus 6. How much? Minus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. ठीक है? So this is, you understand? Huh? Now you have written all these things, huh? This solving, we solve the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. If I rub this, so now understanding is like that. There is line PQ. P, its coordinate is 1, 3. This is the line Q, and there is another line. There is another line passing through PQ. It is, this is perpendicular bisector Q. It is perpendicular bisector. मतलब this is, and its equation is x minus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. And this equation of this line we find. How much was that?
4x plus y is equal to 7.
4x plus y is equal to 7. These two lines are intersecting, and the points of point of intersection are, that is 2 comma minus 1. And it is perpendicular bisector. So this point is midpoint. This is midpoint. This is midpoint. When it is midpoint, तो फिर इसके coordinates क्या हो जाएंगे? 2 is equal to 1 plus x cube upon 2. 2 times 2 becomes 4. So it becomes 4 minus 1 is equal to x cube. Right? So it is 3 is equal to x cube. So it's or x cube is equal to 3. Right? इसी तरीके से इसको निकालेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा कोऑर्डिनेट? If if we find the coordinate of this equation, so what will be? Minus 1 is equal to how much? Minus 1 is equal to 3 plus y cube upon 2. Is it? So it is minus 2 minus 3 is equal to y cube. So y cube is equal to minus 5, right? X cube is 3, y cube is minus 5. So coordinate of Q or coordinate of Q is 3, minus 1. What is your answer? So this is how you get the midpoint, but you get the coordinate of Q. They are perpendicular. So from this slope, from this equation slope, we find the equation slope of this equation. Then we put the values y minus y p is equal to m bracket x minus xp. So we get the value of this equation 4x plus y is equal to 7, and then we put the values and we get the equation of intersecting point. And after that, since it is a bisector, so it will be midpoint, because this line is bisecting this PQ. So it is a midpoint. When it is a midpoint, then we put the formula like this. I'm in short. I did it in shortcut. You know, it will be, if I say O, so XO is equal to XP plus XQ by 2, and YO is equal to YP plus YQ by 2. Get it? By using this formula, midpoint theorem, we solve this equation. I hope you get it. What is next?